Are we alone in the universe? Because it would be scary if I was the only planet with life.
I know for a fact that aliens in fact exist. They're just too far away.
The more you think of it, the scarier it gets.
Yes, because there are over 30 septillion planets in the universe. Earth can be only one with life.
But first, what about simple life in our own solar system?
The first candidate is me.
No way, bro. You're burning hell. How do you have life?
Yes, because while Venus' surface might be hot, its atmosphere is nice and cool for life. And scientists detected gas phosphine in Venus, a chemical only released by microbes here on Earth.
Yeah. But screw Venus. I have better candidates for life.
Why do you guys always do this to me? I always get bullied.
NASA rover found rocks on me, and it contains simple ingredients for life. This is a big hint.
Yes, but screw Venus and Mars. Better places for life can be on the moons.
Yes. Finally, I get a role in something.
Not you! I'm talking about other moons.
No, I always get bullied.
Don't worry, bro. I feel the same way.
Finally, it's my turn to flex.
Plot twist, it's actually your moons, not you.
No, this isn't fair.
Yes, because I am Jupiter's moon and a high candidate for life.
How does this make sense? Jupiter and its moons are so far away from Sun. How can they have life?
Yes, because I act like a second son.
Hey, you can't just steal my role like that. This isn't funny. I will rage. Screw it. Never mind.
Although I am not literally a second son, there is something unique with gas giants. You see, my gas collects heat from the sun and outputs it twice as hot to nearby, like my moons.
And this heat can make a habitable moon despite being so far away from the sun. And scientists detected a subsurface ocean inside me, which also means life. And there's something called hydrothermal vents. These take heat from the core of a celestial body and transfer it to ocean, which gives even more heat. So this is very high hint at some microbial life.
But I have better candidates.
Overall, I am the true best candidate. It is the same thing as Europe, except my water is on surface.
Okay, this is cool and all, but microbes are boring. I want to find more microbes. Boring. I want to find more complex life.
For this, we need to look beyond solar system. They are called exoplanets and exomoons. However, these things are very hard to find. You see, exoplanets are planets orbiting other stars. However, they are hard to find.
Yes, because finding an exoplanet is like trying to see a marble 100 miles away.
And that's not it, because the host star will be 1 million times bigger than the actual planet. Similar to how I'm 1 million times bigger than the planets.
Hey, you didn't have to do this to us.
That's the truth, though.
However, there is a method to finding these exoplanet thing. It's called the gravity method, and it was used to find the first every exoplanet.
You see, planets actually doesn't orbit the sun because of magic, it's because of gravity. You see, the universe is of a fabric called space-time. And this space-time works like a fabric, because when heavy objects, like stars, cause it to curve, and this curvature causes it to pull objects towards it. This is gravity in action.
Wait, but why don't we fall into the sun?
Actually, though, why don't we fall into the sun? I kind of want to know. Please, please, please.
Shut up. Venus, stop yapping. But wait, why don't we fall in the sun? Anyway, shut up. Venus.
I hate existing. You always find a chance to bully me.
Holy yap. Shut.
Y'all for real need to shut up, though.
Anyways, where we were, please, Oh yes, why did the planet not fall into their stars?
Guys, I extreme scared. Like and subscribe if you don't want life to extinct.
Focuser, 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 focuser.
I fed up, shut up! Anyways, planets don't fall into their star, is they move at very high speeds.
But wait, why do they move at those very high speeds? Me not understand.
It's nebula time.
Yes, because there is a phenomenon. Gravity causes nebula to collapse and rotate, and since it rotates, the planets move at very high speed.
Question answered.
Anyways, since all objects have gravity, the big planet tug on their stars.
Because I'm similar, since I big my gravity pulls on the sun. Very slightly.
And we use this to find the exoplanets.
This is how the first ever exoplanet was discovered. However, please, I present how lame this method is. Extremely annoying and stupid, because this only finds gas giants. But they can't have life.
Hey! He didn't have to do this. It's bullying.
You didn't have to this. Your moons have life, though.
Naya, I don't care about that. I still jealous.
But still though, please, how do we find rocky planets then?
Rocky planets are very small though. Do we able to find these stuff?
Venus, you can't be talking.
FTO find rocky planet. We must use the transit method.
What is that? Please,
Are you good?
because you need to stop bullying me.
When a planet passes in front of its star, it dips in brightness by a very small amount. And when it does, we know there's a planet there. The Kepler Space Telescope scanned these, and the color of the light can tell what the atmosphere of the planet is made of. And they found one with dimethyl sulfide.
And what about? Is this life?
Exactly. Because dimethyl sulfide is only produced by life.
Finally, I get chance to exist.
But you're lame.
Hey, you can do that.
Because you only have microbial life. And that sucks.
But is there planets with complex life?
That's interesting. I want to know.
We don't have any planet for complex life. However, here are the criteria.
I want to know that. It's cool. Shut up, Mars.
Hey, Shah, it backfired.
Hey, this is bullying.
That's exactly how I felt.
First, the planet must be in habitable zone.
What is that?
Earth, you're in it right now.
I will explain the habitable zone.
No, I don't think so.
The region around a star where temperature is just right, so liquid water can exist.
Next is a galactic habitable zone.
How many habitable zones are there?
I'm insert. Please.
If a planet is too close to the galactic center, it will be blasted by supernovae and gamma bursts. And if it's too far away from galactic center, there will be no metallicity to form rocky planets. So just right, there will be metallicity but safe from the cosmic death show.
Finally, the planet must have a large moon.
Finally, I get a role in something. I hope this isn't a joke.
It isn't a joke.
Yes, because the moon will stabilize the planet, accounting for life.
Finally, I'm not useless anymore.
It's been fun talking about habitability.
Aliens do exist. However, they are really far away. Do you think there are aliens out there?